Welcome everybody to this tutorial on training deep learning networks. This video is primarily for university students who are having difficulties when training their networks. You might not have a GPU or a fast computer, but the solution that I'm about to give you today will give you access to a GPU. It's about using Google Colab. Unlike Google Cloud Service, Colab is very simple to set up and get going. And besides, it's free. Let's get going, shall we? Okay, the first thing we need to do is search for Colab on Google and then click on the first link. Now on the top right corner it says sign in. We click on the blue button. And now I assume that most of you have a Google account, but for those that don't, we will create one together. I will fast forward this part because I believe most of you have already an account. And now we have plugged in into Colab, so we click on New Notebook. And then you click on Runtime, change runtime type, and then choose GPU, and then save it. And click Connect, and it's allocating a GPU for you. And there you have it. Now you have a computer with a GPU. And now we need to save files. We need to import and we need to export files. So we click on Files, and then we can choose to operate on Drive. So we click Drive, and then connect to Google Drive. So now we have Google Drive here. What we need to do now is to import our code. I assume that you already have your code, and then you can just upload it to your Google Drive and run it. However, I have created a toy example for you, and you just need to run these commands. I will link them in the video description, so you just need to copy and paste them. First we go to the directory of the drive, and then MyDrive. And then we click plus code, and then we want to download the repository, the code. And now it's cloning. Next, we click on plus code, and we go to this directory that we just downloaded. Click run, and then plus code. And then we look what files we got, ls. We got readme and we got train. Obviously, we need to run train. So to run the command, we need to use !python3 and then train.py. And then we run it. Now, as you see, the first thing it will do is that it will download the CFAR dataset. We got a GPU with approximately 15 GB of memory, and now it's training. And I will fast forward this process here. Now that we have trained our network and we got the accuracy, we need to export the files, the result. Now this is optional if you decided to plot your results. So we get the accuracy, and we got the loss. We can either access these files and download them through these three dots of download, and then also the loss, download. Or we can go to Drive, and then YT, deep learning, and then accuracy and PNG, and we can also download them. I hope that you learned how to train your deep network today. Leave a thumbs up if you liked this video, and please subscribe for more videos in the future.